Don't let the sun go down while you are still angry. Ephesians 4:26. In another word, do not sleep angry. Give yourself time, but solve the problem before you go to sleep. J'ai aussi écrit en français. Si tu comprends pas anglais. Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Hello, beautiful people. I hope you are doing well. Sorry, I just love her. Okay, Patricia Bright. All right. Anyway, today's video I'm going to be doing a overnight twist. It's gonna be my first time doing this. I look like, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. I look like something. We're gonna try these twists out. So anyway, we're just gonna get into the video. You already know the, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you don't like my page, thank you for the views. Press the notification bell. You already know that. If you don't like my page, it's fine, don't subscribe. So I'm gonna be using the chilllllddd defining curl mustard castor. I think this is called castor by Auntie Jackie. I'm using this right here, and we're gonna use that to twist our hair. Before I twist my hair, I'm actually gonna part it. So let's part it, shall we? Round it back. Yeah. So now that we parted the hair, what I'm gonna do, let me respect my hair real quick, because it's the only way it can grow, if you respect it. There you go. So I'm just gonna get my castor oil, and I'm gonna use my tea tree growth cream before I add this thing on here, because that's how we're getting the hair to grow, is if you respect it. Yeah, I'll be right back. I don't even know where it is. Ooh. Yeah. So for my night routine, I usually use the main choice. But what I did with this, my previous video talking about my night routine, I had the bottle was only the main choice. I didn't put anything. It was just the main choice. This time around, I mixed the main choice with my black castor oil Jamaican oil, and it's been doing great. It's been doing great. Castor oil makes your hair thick, and I need my hair to be thick. I feel like the main choice grows my hair, but it doesn't get it thick. I need my hair thick. So next one, I use the tea tree growth creme, which is this baby right here. So I basically do this routine every night before I go to bed, whether I am doing a protective styling or not. But if I have a protective style, such as braids or something, then I'll just run my scalp with this baby right here. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it back. This is almost out. Why? Fix your face. So I've heard that, well, not heard, but I had some, videos doing this. I watched some tutorial. Let's rephrase the whole entire sentence. The videos that I watched doing this twist, some YouTubers did say that if you have medium to short hair, you might want to do like small twist instead of big twist. So because this is my first actual time retempting this, my first time I did this, I did big twist, and from the looks of it, I didn't do it right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get like small twist this time around to actually get some good results. So we're gonna do the small of a twist. Hopefully I wake up early enough to untwist these, because sis be having some zooms in her alarm. I would do the 3 strands, but nobody got time for that. Okay. Not over here. So yeah, that's cute.
I must say, this Aunt Jackie curl la la thing ain't bad. It ain't bad, you know. I actually like it. I am gonna retry it after my hair grows a couple more inches because I've noticed that sis had hang time, but sis wasn't thick enough for that. But yeah, the strands was cool. I think I'm gonna retry the twist method. I'm gonna try like the, what's that thing called, the braided down twist method. I don't know what y'all call it, but it's like you braid your hair, but it's not really braided. It's like twisted out, something like that. But that thing was alright. It was alright. It wasn't that bad. It was alright. You know, got the curl juicy and whatnot. As far as the cream, I know some people have questions for the cream. The cream really comes out really thick. I don't think if you use, I think a little goes a long way is basically what I'm trying to say. It's a pretty thick cream. It doesn't come out watery at all. And that's the type of creams that I like, the pretty thick creams, because I feel like the watery ones, it just doesn't work that well. But if you do have low porosity hair, this product is really good for your curls. Me personally, I find it kind of weird because like when I put it on my hair, my curls kick in probably like 20 minutes later. Like it doesn't activate quickly, which is one of my frustration about my natural hair. But overall, this cream is by far, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. You just have to figure out a way to use it. And it doesn't work really well for wash and go for my hair, but it works alright. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply that right there because we need some edges and we need some thickness on the edges. So yeah.
I feel like a rapper. Gang gang. Gang gang. Oh my gosh, I look like a boy. Gang gang. Sorry. So now it's all finished. I'm gonna get my hair cap and I'm just gonna go to sleep. And right now it's like what, 1 a.m. in the morning. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and show you guys the results. I pray to God that this looks good. Okay. Please. Let's just hope this looks good, okay? So I'm gonna get this nice satin cap, hair cap that I got at Dollar General. And yeah, it's actually pretty good for the price of $1. What YouTubers do.
Oh, she looked different because she put on her makeup. Oh my God, is that her? I don't know if that's her. Don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, so the twist came out pretty juicy in the morning. I really liked it. And I decided to use my main choice last Jamaican castor oil. And just to, you know, add that moisture to the ends while I untwist these. This hair made me cry, okay? My hair sometimes feels like a newborn baby. I feel like I have no hair on my scalp when I do styles like this. This is the only reason why I'm like focused on making my hair thick. Because when I do styles like this, it feels like, sis, how old is you? Are you like 1 month or are you 25? Because it don't look like it. But when I watch the videos of people doing their hair twist out like this, 1, they have thick hair. 2, I feel like my hair is not thick enough for this. 3, when they untwist or unravel the twist, whatever you want to call that, they do like, you know, separate extra twist. And then to make the hair thicker, they get a comb and they like comb through. Ugh, I can't stand my hair. Just looking at it makes me mad. This twist out, in my head, I had like this picture of, you know, joining a natural girl gang and looking cute, but sis didn't even look cute. I was so mad. I was this close to relaxing my hair. But I was like, okay, if it doesn't look cute like this, we can't go out like this. This is not cute. Let's turn it into a style. So I tried to do the twist out, the twist. I really did try to do the twist to be positive about it. And
Okay, this is not what I expected. I was not expecting it to come out like this. You know what? At this point, I'm just upset. I'm truly upset. I was not expecting for it to come out like this. At all.
And it made a joke out of me. That's what I meant to say. And it made a joke out of me. So I decided to just, get that yellow band, tie it back in the back, make it a little bit tight, tight, and then pull it back and just give it that down twist out look. This was cute.
When all fails, a pushback style is always worth something. Why not?
Yes, when it all fails, like I said, twist out look is cute, okay? With a hair tie. If you got thick hair, God bless you, okay? If you have long hair, God bless you.
Okay. This is the best we can get it. I'm not mad. I now know that for me to have, the best twist out, I have to make sure that my hair grows to a certain length. This is not bad, but I wasn't expecting it to come out the way it did, I was not expecting it, but at least we got some hang time. But I'm very upset that it came out how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, hair growth.